right, slow it down. Watch the tire on the ground.
Looks like the subframe took most of the impact, and we'll need to get a measurement on this side.